Today, we're going to be learning about the elements of drama. First things first, you are going to complete the journal prompt. Welcome to Your Life, a play in 3 acts. The person who has been cast as you wants to come interview you before he or she goes on stage. Introduce yourself using Flipgrid. You can use the QR code, or you can click on the introduction assignment and it will take you to Flipgrid. I urge you to download the Flipgrid app on your phone so that you can easily access Flipgrid, which we'll be using a lot in this course because stage class is a class where we are talking and getting to know each other. Please take 5 minutes to introduce yourself. When you complete your Flipgrid, please take the time to listen to your friends' Flipgrid and meet your friends in this class. We will be using these sketch notes to make notes today. Again, you may do those virtually, or if you have a printer and you want to print them out and use your coloring pencils to make them as artistic as you like, that would be wonderful. If you print them out, please take a picture and submit that picture. A drama is a type of literature. It is a genre. It is a play for the theater, the radio, television, movies. Related terms are screenwriter, playwright, script, comedy, and tragedy. Stage directions are so important. You must learn stage directions as an actor, and stage directions are directions written in parentheses in a script to guide the actors and the directors. Now, each director is going to direct a play differently, but those stage directions help the actor and the director to know what the playwright meant for the actors to be doing on and off stage. They also include how to act, including emotion. So it may just be an adjective or an adverb, how to say something or how to do something. It also allows actors and directors to understand how to set the stage, where things are placed on stage. And again, every director is going to direct a play differently in their own vision, but the stage directions are a guide. They can also provide background information such as the time, the setting, the mood, the weather. For example, in the stage directions below, we are informed as to how Gaston should act as he rallies the village to attack the beast. These are stage directions. Gaston throws a torch into a haystack, creating an instant bonfire. He begins to prance around it, warning of dangers of the horrible beast. This stage direction lets Gaston know not only what he's supposed to be doing, but also how he is supposed to be acting. Dialogue is a conversation between two or more characters. Dialogue allows the actors to dial up a friend on the phone or talk to him in person. For example, below, Belle tries to convince Gaston she's not interested. Hello, Belle. Bonjour, Gaston. Gaston grabs the book from Belle. Gaston, may I have my book, please? How can you read this? There's no pictures. Well, some people use their imaginations. Belle, it's about time you get your head out of these books and paid attention to more important things. Like me. The whole town's talking about it. It's not right for a woman to read. Soon she starts getting ideas and thinking. Gaston, you are positively primeval. Why, thank you, Bill. Hey, what do you say? You and me take a walk over to the tavern and maybe have a look at my hunting trophies. Maybe some other time. This is a conversation between two characters. This is dialogue. A monologue, on the other hand, is an uninterrupted speech given by one character.